Hey everyone! In this video I got another riff trainer exercise for you. We're gonna learn Are You Mine by the Arctic Monkeys. Let's try it. If you're new to this channel, my name's Taylor. I've been teaching guitar for over a decade, and the reason I started this channel is because over the years I've taught a lot of people who have tried to learn guitar from YouTube, and they all have the same issues. And the biggest one being that they never practice to metronomes or try and play along with songs. So they never develop the fluidity and the muscle memory, and they just can only play at their own speed, and it sounds kind of choppy. Does that sound familiar? If it does, then these videos are for you. It's kind of like a yoga channel or like a home exercise channel. Load up the videos, do what I do, and maybe do a couple of the videos, and that's your practice. All right, well, let's talk about the riff. If you did the last riff trainer exercise, it was 7 Nation Army. That one was 5 notes all across one string with one finger. This one's gonna be the same. It's all on the 6th string, and we're just gonna use your pointer finger. And the frets we're using are 10, 9, 7, 5, 2. They pretty much just play this riff the whole song. It's like 90% of just doing this riff. There's like the beginning is a little bit different, the bridge is different, but other than that, you can pretty much just turn the song on and play this riff, use the spots where it changes as a little bit of a break to kind of take a breather. And you don't have to play with a metronome, you can just play with an actual song. And I think as a beginner, it's really important to, turn on songs and try and play along with them to help develop the filter, your mental filter. When you're playing along to a song, there's a lot of things you need to be listening for, like the drums and different cues, but there's also a lot of stuff you need to filter out so you don't get distracted. So if you're never practicing along with songs or anything like that, you won't develop those skills. So the first thing we're gonna do is break this riff up into a few different chunks, and then we're going to play those chunks a few times in a row to kind of get familiar with each part of the riff. And we're just gonna do that at our own speed. We'll do a little repeat after me. I'll play it. I'll leave some space for you to try it. And we'll just kind of go back and forth about 5 times. And we'll do that with each chunk. After that, I'll load up a backing track that I made on my sweet keyboard right here. It's going to sound super cheesy, and it's going to motivate you to eventually just practice with the actual recording. Just like most of the other exercises on this channel, we're going to start at a very low speed and then gradually work our way up to normal speed. It's going to be very tedious, but that's how you learn a riff. You just do it over and over and over again. So many times that it becomes a reflex in your muscles. And if you don't practice it along with a metronome or with the song or with me, then you're not gonna be able to keep up with anything ever. You have to practice keeping up with things in order to be able to keep up with things. So that's what this channel is for, is developing the skill for keeping up with things. And I do it in a way that shouldn't be too frustrating. All right, enough talking. Let's start playing. Go grab a guitar, play along with me, and I bet we can get this riff down in like 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so the first chunk we're gonna try out is this. We're just gonna go 10, 10, 10, 9. We're just on the top string. You can just use your pointer finger. 10, 10, 10, 9. Let's try and go back and forth 5 times. So here's the first one. 10, 10, 10, 9. 10, 10, 10, 9. Second one. 10, 10, 10, 9. 10, 10, 10, 9. Third one. 10, 10, 10, 9. 10, 10, 10, 9. Fourth one. 10, 10, 10, 9. And then 10, 10, 9. All right, easy enough. The next chunk is very similar. We pretty much do the same rhythmic pattern, but just over different notes. So we're going to be in frets 7 and 5. And we're going to go 7, 7, 7, 5. Let's do that back and forth. 7, 7, 7, 5. 7, 7, 7, 5. 7, 7, 7, 5. 7, 7, 7, 5. 7, 7, 7, 5. 7, 7, 7, 5. Let's do 2 more. 7, 7, 7, 5. 7, 7, 7, 5. 7, 7, 7, 5. 7, 7, 7, 5. Cool. And then the last part's going to be 2, 2. Which I don't know if we really need to do that too much. 2, 2, 2. All right, now try and put it all together. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 2. All right, pause the video, do that a handful of times at your own speed, and then unpause the video, and we'll do it with the backing track. When I start the backing track, it's gonna start with the 2, 2, 2. Then there's gonna be a 4-count break where I'll count us in, and then we'll come in with a 10, 10, 10, 10, and we'll do all that. And then it's gonna do that riff 4 times in a row. So it's gonna give you a lot of opportunities to try it. We're only trying to get 1. See if you can get 1 for now, and then later on you can worry about getting all 4 perfect. All right, 50%, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 2. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 2. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 2. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2. All right, here's 55%, a little bit quicker. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5. Here's 60%. 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 2. 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 2. All right, here's 65%. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2. All right, here's 70%. 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2. All right, here's 75%. We're halfway there. 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 2, ready, go. 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 5, 2. All right, we're at 80%. 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2. All right, here's 85%. 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, 2, 2. Ready, go. 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, right, here's the final stretch. 90%. 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 10, 9, 7, 7, 7, 5, 2, ready, go. 10, 9, 7, 7, 7. Just a couple more. Here's 95%. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, last one. I'm not even gonna say anything. Nice one! You did it! Woohoo! Well, next step is to go to the Arctic Monkeys official YouTube channel and go to the official Are You Mine music video and try and play along with that. Like I said, 90% of the song is just doing that riff, so should be a good time. You could also do a similar process of this with the actual song if you adjust the playback speed. If you don't know how to do that, then go check out this video where I explain how to adjust the playback speed as well as make loops that you can, just loop over and you don't even have to keep clicking back. So go check that out. And after you're feeling cozy with that, call up your drummer friend and your bass player friend and try to jam this riff and see if you guys can get it sounding good. Technically, if you can play along with this backing track or the actual recording, you could play in a band. So, I think that's the importance of trying to play along with things is if you're not able to play along with a metronome or play along with a song, then you're not able to play along with people. All right, well, we just got a couple more videos in level 2. And if you want to see a level 3, then I need you to click some of these buttons over here, especially this one. This guy needs to get just spammed. Just spam this button. Don't smash it, though. Those things are expensive. All right, well, keep up the good work. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.